Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we'll solve sums from class 10 NCERT textbook, chapter AP, example number 9. The sum says, a sum of rupees 1000 is invested at 8% simple interest per year. Calculate the interest at the end of each year. Do these interests form an AP? If so, find the interest at the end of 30 years. So here, this is the principal amount 1000 rupees. Rate of interest is 8%, and it is simple interest. We have to calculate the interest at the end of each year, and we have to check whether these interests form an AP. So we have to check for a common difference. If there is a common difference between the interests of the years, then they form an AP. Then at the end, we have to find out the interest at the end of 30 years. So here we know that simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time by 100. So the interest at the end of first year, interest at the end of first year, the principal is 1000 rupees, 1000 into 8 into 1 by 100. This will, if you solve it, we will get rupees 80. This is interest at the end of first year. The same way, the interest at the end of second year is equal to principal, that is 1000 into rate time 2 years. This we will get rupees 160. The interest at the end of third year thousand into 8 into 3 by 100 rupees 240. The interest at the end of fourth year, thousand into 8 into 4 by 100. It's equal to 432 rupees 320. So we have calculated the interest at the end of each year until 4 years. Now we will check whether they are in AP or not. So A2 minus A1, that is 160 minus 80. We are getting 80. Then A3 minus A2, $240 minus 160. Here also we are getting 80. Then A4, A4 minus A3 is equal to 320 minus 240. We get 80. So there is a common difference. The common difference is equal to 80. Therefore, the interests form an AP. So here A is equal to 80, D is equal to 80. So now we got to find out the interest at the end of 30 years. So we got to find out A30. So N is equal to 30. We'll find out A30. So AN formula, we'll use the AN formula. AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A30 is equal to 80 plus 30 minus 1 into 80. That's equal to 80 plus 29 into 80. 80 plus 2320. That's equal to 2400. So the interest at the end of 30 years is 2400. Therefore, the interest at the end of 30 years is rupees 2400. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.